Hello students, myself Mr. Nagarajan, Assistant Professor of Physics, Maharani Science College for Women, Mysore. Since all of you are at home because of COVID-19 lockdown, today in this video I am going to show you how to solve problem on elective paper, that is optoelectronics, for final year BSc students. Come, let us see the problem now. An indium gallium arsenide LED emits peak power at 1330 nanometer at a drive current of 50 milliampere. The value of radiative and non-radiative recombination lifetime are 25 nanosecond and 100 nanosecond respectively. Estimate the internal quantum efficiency of the LED. Also calculate optical power yielded internally in LED. Now I am going to provide solution. In this problem, indium gallium arsenide LED emits peak power at lambda is equal to 1330 nanometer and drive current I is equal to 50 milliampere. And given the value of radiative recombination lifetime tau r is equal to 25 nanosecond and non-radiative recombination lifetime tau nr is equal to 100 nanosecond. In this problem, we have to estimate the internal quantum efficiency of LED, that is eta int is equal to question mark, and optical power yield internally in the LED, that is Pint is equal to question mark. To calculate the optical power yield internally in the LED, we have an expression Pint is equal to eta int into Hc divided by Q lambda into I, where internal quantum efficiency is given by Pint is equal to tau divided by tau r, tau suffix r, where tau is effective lifetime of carriers that can be calculated by using the relation tau is equal to tau r into tau nr divided by tau r plus tau nr, which means the effective lifetime is equal to the product of radiative recombination lifetime and non-radiative recombination lifetime to the sum of the radiative recombination lifetime and non-radiative recombination lifetime. By substituting the values of these, we get plus 100, we get the 20 nanosecond, which is effective lifetime of carriers. Effective lifetime of carriers. But we know that H is Planck's constant. Its value is 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. C, this is velocity of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, and Q is charge of an electron, that is 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and I, the drive current, which is 50 milliampere. Now we have all data to find or to calculate the optical power yield internally in the LED. On substituting and simplifying all these values, we get P in T is equal to 0.8 into 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 into 50 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 into 1330 into 10 raised to minus 9. On simplifying, we get 37.31 milliwatt, which is the optical power yield internally in the LED. Thank you.